right now on Fox 5 News at 5.
Well, he says that he was run over by a billionaire, so now he is suing for millions.
The heir to a beer empire in Colombia is facing charges of hitting a pedestrian in a crosswalk and then taking off.
Fox 5's Antoine Lewis has that story tonight.
Being in courts and dealing with legal issues is something that it's not fun for anybody.
Ryan Kutu says he hoped it wouldn't have gotten this far, but it has. He and his attorney have filed a lawsuit against New York jet setter Andres Santo Domingo for a hit-and-run incident at the intersection of 34th Street and 3rd Avenue back on March 29th.
He was turning right onto 34th Street, and I was heading south. So he was turning to travel east.
Ryan says he was in the crosswalk when the car hit him.
His front driver's side tire ran over my foot, and the front fender of his car hit my knee in my leg area, and then his mirror smashed my elbow, which spun me around and caused me to fall to the ground.
Attorney Herb Subin says what adds insult to Ryan's injuries is the fact the driver stopped briefly and made eye contact with Ryan before driving off.
That period of time where they were looking at each other is where somebody who follows the norms and the ethics of our society pulls over and says, "Are you okay? Let's call an ambulance, let's call the police, let's deal with this."
31-year-old Andres Santo Domingo is heir to his family's billion-dollar beer empire in Colombia. He and his wife live in the Flatiron district on West 21st Street. The lawsuit seeks damages that total $100 million. Subin says that isn't nearly enough for what could have happened.
There's anger and frustration, that I can't just fathom the idea that someone can do this to someone else and not stop.
No one answered when we stopped by the home of Andres Santo Domingo. Meanwhile, Ryan and his attorney are moving forward with their case. We, of course, will keep you posted. Reporting from the Flatiron District, Antoine Lewis, Fox 5 News.